In the market, we get different types of solar panels like polycrystalline, monocrystalline, and also bifacial, TOPCon, and many other technologies. The one you see behind me is mono-PERC half-cut technology, and the second one is TOPCon bifacial technology. Apart from this, one more term is used, which is DCR and non-DCR solar panels. The biggest difference between these two is their manufacturing. The full form of DCR solar panels is domestic content requirement, and they are made completely in India. Every component of a DCR panel is made inside India. The non-DCR solar panels have many components imported from outside, like the cells and the junction box. When any component is imported and then used to make the panel, we call it non-DCR. Many people also ask whether there is any difference in power generation. There is no difference in power generation. You also cannot identify by looking from outside which panel is DCR and which is non-DCR, because it is not written directly on the panel. The two panels behind me are both from UTL. The 540 watt panel is non-DCR and the 525 watt panel is TOPCon DCR, which is the latest technology. In the market, solar panels come in different technologies, so their efficiency also varies. The oldest technology is polycrystalline, which is about 15 to 17% efficient. As we move to newer technologies, the efficiency increases and goes up to 23 or 24%. TOPCon technology also comes with around 22 to 23% efficiency. Most government subsidy plants you see from UTL use the 525 watt DCR solar panel, and it is TOPCon technology, so it performs very well even in low light. Right now it is winter, so we cannot test them properly. When we get a clear sunny day, we will test both and show you the power generation. Now let us talk about the difference between DCR and non-DCR. DCR means domestic content requirement. A DCR panel is completely made in India. In non-DCR panels, some parts are imported. In government projects, only DCR panels are allowed. If you are installing a subsidy project, then you must use DCR panels. In private projects or for your own off-grid system, you can use non-DCR panels. Talking about cost, DCR panels are a little costlier and non-DCR panels are cheaper. If you are installing a subsidy system of up to 5 or 6 kilowatt, then DCR is fine. But for bigger systems like 10 kilowatt or 15 kilowatt, using non-DCR panels will be much cheaper. Talking about performance, there is no difference. The performance depends on the technology, not on whether it is DCR or non-DCR. All subsidy schemes apply only to DCR panels. Under the PM-Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, the panels must be DCR. Under the PM-KUSUM Yojana also, only DCR panels are used. Non-DCR panels do not get any subsidy. Talking about availability, DCR panels are less available in the market compared to non-DCR panels, and that is why their price is a little higher. Non-DCR panels are easily available. For quality control, DCR panels follow strict Indian standards, so their quality is generally good. For non-DCR panels, the quality depends on the manufacturer. Good brands give very good quality non-DCR panels. So if you are buying non-DCR, choose a good brand that has been in the market for a long time. Now, let us come to which panel is better. DCR panels are good only if you want subsidy. For private projects or big solar plants, non-DCR panels give more benefit. These are the main differences between the two. Now I will show you the overview of both panels so you can understand whether there is any real difference or not. First, talking about the 540 watt mono-PERC half-cut panel, it comes with around 21% efficiency. It gives you 27 years linear output warranty and 10 years product warranty. It uses 144 half-cut solar cells and has 9 to 10 bus bars, which improves efficiency. On the front, you get the serial number, manufacturing year, and country of origin. On the back, you get the warranty card and technical specifications sticker. You can see that nothing is written about DCR or non-DCR. You also get IP68 rated junction boxes, which are dust-proof and waterproof. Now talking about the 525 watt DCR bifacial panel. From the front, you also cannot tell whether it is DCR or not. It has the model name, country of origin, and UTL logo, but again nothing is written about DCR. On the back, you get the testing report, serial number, and IP68 junction boxes. So even by looking, you cannot identify whether it is DCR or non-DCR. Their manufacturing looks the same. From the overview, you can see that you cannot identify from outside which one is DCR. To know this, you must check with the company or check the serial number after purchase. If you want to buy these panels, you can purchase them from any authorized UTL dealer. UTL manufactures its own solar panels, so you get good quality at the right price. I hope your doubts about DCR and non-DCR are now clear. That is all for today's video. If you still have any question or suggestion, comment in the comment box. If you like the video, like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can get similar videos from time to time. Thank you.